So today we're going to be having a look at the multiplication and the addition principles and how they work with the box method. So a rowing club plans to send a women's sculling pair and a men's sculling pair to regatta. There are 4 female scuttlers available to fill the 2 positions, front and rear scuttler, in one boat, and 3 male scullers available to fill 2 positions, front sculler and rear sculler, in the other boat. So let's have our 2 different boats. We have our female boat, and we've got the front sculler and the rear sculler, and we've got the male boat in which we've got the front sculler and the rear sculler. So let's have a look-see. So for the first one, there are 4 female scullers available to fill 2 positions. So there's 4 different people who could take the front, which would leave only 3 to take the rear. And only 3 male scullers available to fill the 2 positions. So for the men, there's 3 options for the front sculler, only 2 options for the rear. So determine the total number of ordered pairs, both women's and men's, that can be formed. So for the women's, well, we're going to have 4 times 3, 12 different options. And for the men, we're going to have 3 times 2, or 6 different options. So in total, we have got 12 plus 6, 18 different options. However, what if we cared about that there are slightly different combinations? So imagine we have, say Mary here, Jenny, Ben, and Max, okay? Let's call that one option. This would actually be a different option. Even though I've just swapped the boys, that would actually be a totally separate option. So if I want to count those properly, that's what question B is asking us to do. So what is the total number of combinations of teams of women, ordered pairs, and men's ordered pairs that can be formed? So rather than having 2 separate pairs of boxes, let's just create one big box. So there's 4 options for the front, 3 options for the rear, 3 options for the front, 2 options from the rear, and we get the number of options will be equal to 4 times 3 times 3 times 2, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36, 36 times 2, 72 options. And that is how you can work it out. Nice and easy. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.